The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Solution. Given S7 is equal to 49, S17 is equal to 289. We know that sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute n is equal to 7, which implies S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, which implies 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Transpose 7 by 2 to the other side, we get 49 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a plus 6d, which implies 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d, which implies a plus 3d is equal to 7. Let us take this as equation 1. Now substitute n is equal to 17. That implies S7 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Transpose 17 by 2 to the other side, we get 289 into 2 by 17 is equal to 2a plus 16d. 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d. Take 2 as common in RHS. Then we get 34 is equal to 2 into a plus 8d. Transpose 2 to the other side, we get 17 is equal to a plus 8d. That implies a plus 8d is equal to 17. Let us take this as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d is equal to 17. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we get minus 5d is equal to minus 10. That implies d is equal to 2. Substitute d value in equation 1. That implies a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. That implies a plus 6 is equal to 7. That implies a is equal to 7 minus 6. That implies a is equal to 1. Now, sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2n. That is equal to n square.